All right, go for it. Here we go. Are we recording? With the regular barbecue sauce.
Yeah, lipsmackingsauces.com or lipsmackingsauces.net.
You gotta order
or on our
it.
TikTok shop.
You gotta order it. You gotta order it.
All right. I'm gonna just do.
I'm gonna go one bite at a time.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this center part. I messed up already.
You cut it up already. Yeah, it's cool. Let's go. Here you go.
Here we go.
Lip smacking. I love how you came up with that. That makes it just stands out.
Toast.
There we go. Thank you.
There's a lot of flavors popping off in there.
Yeah, the beginning is strong, but it sizzles down and it has a good aftertaste. It has that sweet tanginess at the bottom. If you like your pizza with the sweetness to the sauce, there's a good combination to it. If the pizza was more like on the salty side sauce, this would still work out by the beginning because I guess the bacon was so salty.
Yeah,
that's what you put.
Complemented the sweetness of the sauce. Yeah.
So it was like salty and sweet all in one.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I can't wait to try it with the bacon because I knew the bacon was in the cheese and saltiness, but that sauce.
Damn, I think, you know how when you go to a pizza shop and they have the plain cheese with sauces on it and stuff? Yeah, these sauces, I can see the sauces going perfect on just the cheese alone.
Exactly. Even the, I always think about the pineapple pizza they be making.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, this is my favorite one, Mango Delight. I put this on everything. I made a beef stew and I had half a bottle left.
Our Mango Delight makes everything right. You know what I'm saying? Lip smacking flavor of packing. I
dumped that whole half bottle in a beef stew just to give it that extra tanginess. I was like, yeah. Nick, sometimes I throw some barbecue sauce on that, and I use this instead. It was great.
I'll be putting in the pork. Yo,
Don was better at the back. It killed the saltiness of the bacon, but it tied everything in so sweet.
Damn.
I knew he was gonna do that. That's why I love that one. That's why I love that one. I'm telling you.
Mango Delight makes everything right, yo. It's not a joke. All right.
Look at that. There's a nice little cut up mango in the front. It's perfect. You can't go wrong with this. You can't.
All right.
It's only capturing me now. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna stop it.
Yeah, you gotta reset it.
There we go. Boom. Should be all right there.
Okay, we got that Island Blaze hot sauce. Got a nice kick, but won't blow your top off.
I'm afraid, but okay. I'm allergic to spicy food.
Ooh, let's not put that much on yours.
There you go. Yeah, I'll take a little tang to it.
All right, let's see what he thinks.
Would you say it was? It doesn't blow your top off? I agree. Yeah, no.
Oh, I like that.
I'm not a spicy person, but it just has the sizzle in your tongue, the back of your mouth, but it's not overpowering that I don't want to have another bite of food.
Yeah, it's not too much. That's why I like it.
Quality.
Oh.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, I can't say anything. Again, I fell in love with this one once I had it, and I just haven't given the other ones a fair chance. Just because once I love something, and I'm in love with the Mango Delight. I promote it all the time, bro. When this New Year's, we had that one in our house because again I thought it was super spicy or more than that. And I told them, I was like, I haven't opened it because I don't like spicy, but I know they were looking for a hot sauce. I was like, we've got three. We got this one, we got the other two brands, and they gave that a shot, and they loved it. And I was like, if y'all had the mango one, you guys would be falling in love with the mango too. But those go quick here.
All right, so now it's called the mix and match. What do you think would work? The idea of lip smacking sauces is to make it easier for everybody to make something lip smacking at their house. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's the mom, the dad, the cousin, the older son, big sister, big brother, grandma, whatever. You don't gotta do no whole meal. You just come in and hook it up. Whether it's a pizza, and you're like, yo, I just made you a Mango Delight pizza. You know what I'm saying? So the question is, out of the pepperoni and the cheese, how would you pair it between the barbecue and the mango? Which one would you pair based on you just